at custom bumper that we're having built here at Sutphen's facility in Dublin, Ohio. We've got a 73-inch cab. Front suspension is the Steer Tech. This is our second truck that we've taken delivery of in the last 12 months. The guys are giving us great feedback on this truck. They say it drives like a Cadillac with that Steer Tech front suspension. Some of the custom things we did have on this truck is we're a department that runs speed lays. We've had these custom speed lay trays made up here at Sutphen. We've got the Cummins L9 motor in this truck, plenty of power with the Hale 1500 G-Max pump. In our engineers compartment, one of the things that we've done to make it a little bit easier getting the truck into service is we've had Sutphen install this black plastic board for mounting our tools. It took us down to from about a month it'd take us to get this truck in service to 10 days when we picked up our last truck in August of this year. We've got the air suspension in the rear. The air suspension in the rear with the Hendrix front suspension, the Steer Tech. It's very smooth ride. Once again, you'll see we've got more plastic board installed for quick mounting of tools. Back here in this department, we put 2 slide-out boards, more mounting. Come around to the back of the engine. This is just a simple fire truck. Our guys like the ladders mounted on the side of the truck. We've got a slide-out tray. This compartment will have saws, fans. We've got another special compartment built here for a backboard and some pike pole roof hooks. Another slide-out tray. Got a custom compartment over the tire here. SCBA, spare SCBA bottles, airbags. This compartment here, carry our extinguishers. This is the second of 4 trucks that we have purchased through Sutphen. Same body, exact same layout, and we've got one on the road right now. We're very happy with it, and we're very excited to get this truck back to Michigan and get on the road also. Front, we've got a large extended bumper. Thank you, and once again, this truck was purchased through Apollo Fire Equipment out of Michigan.